Hi, I'm Carolyn, and I'm turning 80 years old in just 4 months. And I'm giving a boot camp workshop on lifting and firming the jowl area and the bottom of the face, firming up the double chin, and smoothing out the neck. Now, this workshop means a boot camp means that you're going to be working twice a day with this workout, 5 days a week for 1 month. And then you're going to work out once a day, 5 days a week for the next month. And during this time, you're going to be in the workshop, you're going to learn all the techniques and everything so that you really have good and fast results. That's the whole idea. And there'll be three videos that you get. And the first video will be instructions. And the second video will be the actual workout with optional exercises included. And the third video is going to be using the CFF Gouache with facial exercises that will help to enhance the skin and just make it, it's a boot camp, make it a little bit better. Okay, it's going to be on a Saturday at 11 o'clock, and I'll be posting the exact date soon. So go and take a look.